Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself, I'm Prasad from section Infinity AI from College Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, studying in first year. Today we are discussing about an operator overloading in a Python. What is meant by operator overloading? Adaptable behavior. Python allows you to customize how standard operators behave with the different data types. For instance, plus can be used for adding numbers and concatenating strings. Enhanced readability. Operator overloading makes a code more intuitive and is easier to understand. It enables you to see a familiar operators for the complex operations. Overloading as arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and divisions are the different symbols or representing operators like plus, minus, and into and slash. The plus operator can be redefined to perform a custom addition operators in a custom object. Subtraction. The minus operator can be redefined to perform a custom subtraction operators on the custom objects. And multiplication. The operator can be redefined to perform a custom multiplication in operators of a custom object. Divisions. The divided operator can be refined to perform a custom division operations on a custom object. Here is a simple example for the operator overloading arithmetic operators. And overloading comparison operators like equality, inequality, greater than, and less than. The equality refers a double equal with operator can be redefined to check for the quality behind between the custom objects and the based on the custom logic. Inequality. The operator can be redefined to check for a inequality between custom object based on the custom logic. Greater than. The greater than operator can be redefined to check for greater than relationship between a custom objects based on the custom logic. Less than. The less than operator can be redefined to check for less than relationships between the custom objects and based on the custom logics. Operator overloading. In overloading boolean operators like and, or, and not. The and operator can be redefined to perform a custom logical and operations on custom object. Or the or operator can be redefined to perform a custom logical or operations on custom object. And the not operator can be redefined to perform a custom logical not operators on custom object. And here is a first small example for operator in a boolean matrix like and, or, not. Overloading bitwise operators. And the AND operator can be redefined to perform a bitwise AND operations on custom object, or the OR operator can be redefined to perform a bitwise or operations on custom objects. XOR. The operation can be redefined uh, the operations can be redefined to perform a custom logical or operations on custom objects. And the XOR. The operator can be redefined to perform a bitwise XOR operations on custom objects. On NOT. The NOT operator can be redefined to perform a bitwise NOT operations on custom objects. Overloading assignment operators like plus equals to, minus equals to, star equals to, divided equals to. This refers to the equals to plus, equals to minus, and equals to multiplication and equals to divide. The plus equals operator can be redefined to perform a custom addition and assignment operations on the custom objects. And minus equals operator can be redefined to perform a custom subtraction and assignment operations on a custom objects. And star equals operation can be redefined to perform a custom multiplication and assignment operations on a custom object. And divided equals to the operation can be redefined to perform a custom division operations and assignment operations on custom objects. Overloading subscript operations like xx and modify. The operation xx operation can be redefined to allow the access to elements within the custom object. And modify. The modify operator can also be redefined to enable modified elements within the custom object. Use cases for operator overloading, matrix operations, and game development. Custom matrix classes can use operator overloading to perform a matrix operations with the familiar operators, and game development or operator overloading can simplify game development by allowing game objects to interact using a natural operators. Operating overloading advantages and disadvantages. Operator overloading, while powerful, presents both advantages and disadvantages in an equal stage. For example, for a plus operator, means addition operator, imagine we have a custom class representing a vector object and add two vectors together, we can overload the plus operator. Here is a code for example or a program of a class vector. Class vector, define a class vector and define init of self comma x comma y, and self dot x equal to x and self dot y equals to y. And define add self comma other, return a vector self dot x plus other dot x comma self dot y plus other dot y. v1 equals to, assign a variable v1 and v1 equals to vector 1 comma 2 and v2 equals to vector 3 comma 4 and v3 equals to v1 plus v2, and print v3 v3 dot x and v3 dot y. Then the output is for 6. This is a example for plus operator, and thank you for watching.